Graduation tamadi loibiramani ka ji makhatana som government ki job apply to biriba amadi private companies ma'am da thabak thibiriba som makha oina like tam da bido som amadi swadam ki to biramani sidai da kari to ba yai habado si matang na ai kai makhadi thamjaram ge. Hi everyone, my name is Surmangol Singh, the founder of Asur Academy. Today we have trained more than 2,000 plus students, especially in graduates and currently who are pursuing graduates. And not only that, person who have already done the masters and doesn't know what to do the next for your career. Sigi matangsda khoina hojik karigumba kharadi aina ngamjaba karigumba khara solution khara ai pijaramge mayam asimak adum apply to biyo. For recent 1 years, aina Manipur gi naha train tawzar matamda moida hujik laiba confusion state yam thina laigre. Number 1 da kari tawduno khangdaba financially support laitaba kari tamduno khangdaba kanada tamduno khangdaba kari skills tamagadi moi hingba yani tadra kari knowledge lairagadi moi hingba yani adi wabana sum nongoi sum hanjale adu ai ke tawduno se. What will you do right now? Kayuma nangonda hujik pasa karimta laitraba ko as a mioiba moina aizu laiba macha oina porokpanina ko pasagi value ai pasana khangjai isagi humang manai pasana khangjai matam pasana khangjai adubu aina sigi field da one sangi targadi ai ngamdrigai di ai sutok thol oina adugi ramtangdi khanbiyo myamso. The moment when you think ko sigi business da oigara sigi field da oigara any like tam da oibe sports da oibe nang any field da changroba changibu nang either you win or either you fail si ani hatani laidus aduna tabida mediocre gi type da amazu hajan adudi hujiki matam da yam thina warni aduna graduation loiba mana hujik tawba yaba natraga graduation tamna tawba yaba ma haita gadi ko a side hustle makti ai hajaroi ado ayo targadi. I want you to think like a business, not like a hobby. Kayo manang hobby on a khangi targadi nangi returns azu asai nang na tawzadoriba sigi business model sa adum kay hani hobby that dum return la aniba. But if you treat like a business, it will return like a business. That's a simple solution. Ado kayumba nang na hujik ai mateng pasna pamaba ko ai graduate loiba, PhD loiba, MBA loiba, master loiba, engineers. So many people I've trained so far. Moizu aiga moiga accidentally thengna bana table. Ko aizu content mamam semdana value pidana message pidana aina tamjarpa like oigra knowledge oigra ai myam share to hokpuneba. For the last 1 years I continuously I share to re. Haubuga ai perfect oiba nate. Ko aina tawjariba field jida khara khangjarubagi haijaruba khara do kanagumba khara da kanagadra na I share torpuneba. Isona chanbidana ko mi myam lakpidana ngasi Asur Academy da join tawbiri somju ko yumda sum le ko free da sum matam mangandana scroll khara tawmi adigi matam sum mangandana leido sorpudina join Asur Academy today. Let me help you the direction kadai de chatlaga kamaina losindano kamain chat ngor le myam do aina khangjariba experience ngonda lejaba khara do I share tawge soinamaki som I change tawjage. I'll train you. Sida I teach ka to nateva. I want you to change your complete habits. Second, consistent naina kamain thabak torokani discipline kamain yorkani sigumba koi mam di khalamani as digital khakta. No, we don't do that. Mindset kamaina lakani si loinamak ai phasana koi every courses ko dimakta ai loi yawbani. Every skills nangna ngasi tamjariba nang hojik matam thadajariba nang hojik wariba kholi mam do nangna pamjariba nangi goal do nang changba hore si copy gano. Then Asur Academy da 4 categories lay hanbada kaygumana na coaching sigi business da hojang like mam tamjalure tammiba nangi like mam do kanagumba angang amada natraga kanagumba darkar laiba mi amda phasana message pibiba matamda nangbu khangnarakani mayam nangbu pamnarakani. Number 1, if you really wanted to become a coach or trainer or a teacher, we have an exclusive category for that particular person, or a coach or a trainer or whatever ko sigi category sida nang changba pamodi asima lao imating pang second da nang na kaigumba skills ama hijareba mingonda service piba ngammeba any field carpentry hoigara khumup sawa ga fi tubo ga jitna ojarsano miyoiba nang mateng pang ngamaba and then you can join these services. Last but not least, if you have your own product nasagi product lejaraba adu targadi nang adum ko yonaba ai dum take lasa nang job thiningaba job towningaba adu targadi job to so ai mateng pange kamaina job to no not only in Manipur international level lo gara India gi any company samada kamaina apply tawni ko interview gi skills or whatsoever ai train to tarake mayamna hujik ko like su naam tamzalur mina tamuiba like hojikti it's a high time monetize to sum tammadoneba adu monetize to matam sida akoina social media mayam se phusana sinaba haibam darkar time mayam di harmony social media saturated orna moina sinaba phusana haitabaini lao kamaina phusana niyom chumna kamaina sinani social media mayam da phusana monetize haiga Facebook di pisa lakpa no that's not the money ko Facebook di la iba pisa nang kasu hingba yaroi kana umba khana harmony but for me ko YouTube te pisa what khar di lai adu duna ai family adigi business ki run tawni de khanbiro no ko khar wani adugi pisa di site ta thambio aina hajina actual nang na phasana pisa talake na hai targadi ko you have to learn something new every single day nang na pamjai du da ko mayam na hena khangingba lerga su adum lakpiu ai mateng soidam ki pangjage aduga nangumba mayam su Asur Academy manungda yauri tammi any nang na hena khangingba lerga su lakpiu ai adongi damukta mateng pangjage asur.net/book sida nasima book tobro and I'll see you inside the classes. Take care guys, bye bye.